Hi everyone, in this lesson I will create the object work experience and its fields. Firstly, let's create an object. Go to Object Manager. Click New. Choose Basic Object and click Next. Give it a name, Work Experience. And then scroll down to the Parent menu. Select Business menu. Click Save. Here, the system reminds you to set the name field. Click OK. We will change the field name there and name it Employee Name. Then click the data type. Here, there is a many-to-one relationship between work experience and employees. That is to say, one employee has multiple work experience. Thus, we could choose master detail relationship. Next, choose the related object employee. The object work experience will be the data side, and its data would appear as a related list on page layout under the master object employee. Then, name this list employee work. Click Save and confirm. Now we need to create position field. Click New again, choose one-line text. Enter the name, position, then save. Then create the date field. Click New. Choose date. Name it Start Date. And then save. Another field will be the end date. Click New. Choose Date. Enter End Date. And then save. Last, we need to create a field Reason for Leaving. Since we need to enter longer text, multi-line text will be a better choice for us. Click New. Choose multi-line text. We will name this field Reason for Leaving. And then save it. OK, it's finished. See you next time.